Let's talk about states. AlbumTeller tracks where each project is in your workflow using project states as a Kanban board. Pending. Your project is still a draft. Editing. Your project is in progress. You're still designing. This is the default state for new projects. Proofing. You've sent the album to your client for approval via cloud proofing. AlbumTeller tracks their feedback here. Complete. The album has been exported for printing and is in its final state. Archived. Projects you want to keep but remove from your active workspace. They don't count against your project limit. To change a state, click the three-dot menu on any project card and select the new status. You can only change between editing, proofing, or complete. States keep you organized, especially when managing dozens of albums simultaneously.